Sparky Sparks. Are you like me? Oh my goodness. I woke up, I got dressed, I'm all ready to go see friends, and I can't do anything with my hair. I feel so old. I missed my hair appointment because I wanted to go to my sister's graduation. So I've got all this gray, which makes it look see-through. It's fine and thin, it always has been. I just feel like canceling, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to share with you a little secret. It's really not a secret. I discovered wigs 2 years ago when I turned 60, and I have worn wigs now for a full year and love them. So I wake up thinking, oh, I'm ready to go. I'll wear my own hair. Second thought, not going to do it. I feel old. This just makes me feel old. And some would argue, you know, that's a you problem. Figure it out. You don't look old. Blah, 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 whatever. But you feel how you feel, right? So I'm going to share with you what I do. I can't tell you how freeing it is to have wigs in my closet that I can just put on and feel like $1,000,000. So what I'm going to wear today is Lisa, and this is by Envy Hair. Let me share with you what I love about her. First of all, she's blonde, which I love blonde hair. I was born a brunette, and as I've gotten gray, my hairstylist has taken me to a lighter shade because otherwise, and you know this if you have dark hair, you have a root that grows in and the gray landing strip. So I can't keep my hair dark brown as I was born because I mean, I'd have to go to the hairstylist every week. With wigs, though, I can still be dark brown. And as some of you know, if you follow me, I have been going through a red phase. And I decided to go blonde for summer, back to blonde for summer. So this is Lisa by Hair Envy in the color light blonde. And I'm going to share with you what I love most about her. Now, this is a combination human and heat-friendly synthetic hair. So it's 30% human hair, 70% heat friendly, which means for you, you can style it. You could blow dry it if you wanted to. You can curl it or straighten it. I like her just out of the box, but this is the unique part. So we have a silicone patch that goes right over my forehead. This feels like a gentle hug on my head. It's also on the ear tabs. So if you're a lady that doesn't have any hair or fine slippery hair like I do, you perhaps don't need a wig cap to hold the hair in place. So I wear a wig grip, combination wig grip, wig cap to keep the hair from sliding. But when I tried this on, I was like, maybe I don't need that. But I'm using it to organize my hair so it's not going all over the place. This is an open wefted cap. So that means that it's see-through and you can poke your finger through. And it's also partially hand-tied and a monofilament, which means that it doesn't have a defined part. So you can part anywhere in this space. This is a silicone that goes across my forehead and again, makes it feel like a gentle hug. The lace extends from ear tab to ear tab. So that's a very wide space. That will give you, when you're going like this or pull the hair back to make a pony, it will give the illusion that it's coming out of your scalp. And you can see here on the front, as I put my fingers up against the lace, you can see them through the lace. So you're gonna see my forehead through the lace. So let's turn her around. The other thing I'm told is that because this is human hair at the nape, this has less friction. The human hair doesn't knot or tangle as easily as synthetic hair against something like my turtleneck hair. So let's put her on and I'm going to show you. So I woke up looking in the mirror thinking I was ready to go and just had that feeling like I look old. I feel old. I don't want to go. I'd rather cancel than have to figure out how to do my hair. And I don't know if you're in the same boat, but I have, about 2 years ago, I canceled so many times and missed out on so much fun because I couldn't do anything with my hair. And those days now, my friend, are gone because I have a closet full of hair and I'm sure out of the few pieces I have, I can find one that will work with my outfit for the day. So I don't need to cancel and I don't need to miss out on fun. That's the last reason to miss out, would be because you can't do your hair. But I know, friends, we're all in the same boat. All right, no more stalling. Let's put her on. So we're going to put my forehead in first, and then I have to pull her down. She's snug, but not uncomfortable. Okay, so this is the first thing I always do, is put her on like this, and then pull out my wide tooth comb. I like to part her on this side, on my left side. And then just kind of gently smooth her out. Already I'm ready to go. Look at this. I mean, the transformation, you just can't deny the transformation. Okay, and then we look at her forehead. Look at this. And just make sure the lace is laying flat. We measure 4 fingers or 3 fingers. And then some people, I know people with 2 fingers. I have a bit higher forehead, and I love wigs because I can make my forehead a true forehead. Okay, so this is gently snugging my temples. Just make sure it's on straight. Make sure it's pulled down in the back. So again, this is Lisa by Envy in light blonde. So I have some of my sideburns, or are the sideburns for us? It's out. The base color is similar to mine. Now, one of the things I will tell you about this wig, a couple things. She doesn't have a root. So it is, you can look, it looks just like my scalp is just coming through. I can do this confidently. It's not going in, it's not moving. So just like the gals who run their hair through their hair like that, totally can do that. No one's gonna know. Let's show you the back. Make sure I get in the camera for you. You can see the top. She's super soft. Honestly, if I can have Lisa in every shade they made, I would. I think this could be my go-to permanent wig that I wear all the time. That's how comfortable she is. Just gorgeous. Super soft. I've worn her now for 3 days, and no tangling, no crunchiness to the hair. Just beautiful. I can adjust her. If I feel like this is too much forehead for me, then I can adjust her down. Let's do that a little bit. I'm conscientious or subconscious. Anyway, I don't like my forehead being super wide. I always get, wow, you have a large forehead. So this is nice, just like this. Love the colors. Love the little money pieces, as I call it here. Just gorgeous. And you can see, it looks like my scalp. Now, up until now, up until a few months ago, I always thought that all hair had a root, like a dark root. I went to Florida to see my aunt, and she has hair like this. That's all bleached or dyed or bleached, whatever it is, all the way to the root. And at first I thought maybe she was wearing a wig because it's one color. And when I asked her about it, she said, oh yeah, everybody wants their hair all to be one color all the way to the scalp, not this root that looks like it's grown out. So it gave me the confidence to know that it's not just a wig because it's one color. This is actually a goal of hair people at times. So this is what's brought me a ton of confidence. I don't know about you, but I have missed out on so much because I just didn't feel good enough to go, or I couldn't look in the mirror and just know that everybody else was going to look on point and have great hair, or you fill in the blank. But for me, this has given me freedom, confidence, lots of confidence, and choices, because now I can wear long hair, short hair. I don't care if people know I'm wearing a wig. It looks fantastic. And what a great choice. You know, instead of having to say no or feeling like less than, you can feel all that you are. We work hard on our bodies, our nutrition, on aging well. And this is just like an accessory. This is like a pair of gold shoes versus brown shoes. This is like hoop earrings versus studs. long hair versus short hair. Do it for you. And if you need help or you want some tips, reach out. We have a big community of wig wearers, brand new wig wearers. And I was one of those silent sufferers who hated my hair at moments, not all the time, but in moments, and would not do things because, you know, I'd rather just stay home than deal with the hair. So if you know, you know, and I'm here for you. Thanks for watching and thanks for tuning in. Please follow and follow my journey. Let's do this together. Cheers.